What's going on, guys? Today we're back with another video. We have a pair of velvet brown Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. This is the first pair I've gotten, and as you guys can see, they really need a cleaning very badly. So we're just going to show you guys how to go ahead and clean this up. Shouldn't be too long of a video. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so to begin the cleaning, I'm going to be using some Reshoevn-Ator as always, and I'm going to be using their soft texture brush for the actual cleaning. I'm just going to go in some light circles like this. And after each portion of the uppers I clean, I'm taking my microfiber cloth and just go ahead and just pat dry it. Get that moisture out of there. Then before we start scrubbing the bottoms, we just take an X-Acto knife and we just go ahead and dig out all the debris and rocks that might be in the bottom of the shoes. And then before I start scrubbing them, I'm going to take my steamer and just go ahead and just loosen up all the dirt. Then I'll take my stiff texture brush and I'll begin scrubbing the soles. Now thankfully the initial cleaning did most of the work, so now we just take our suede eraser and just go back and forth to reset the nap. And as you guys can see, you can like move it back and forth now and it changes texture and it's nice and soft again. And just take your suede brush and just go ahead and just brush it all away. Then we're going to take our Angelus Mink Oil, go ahead, spray the shoes, and then we're going to take our soft texture brush and just go ahead and brush it all through. Alright guys, at this point you can see the shoes are nice and clean, they're conditioned, nice and fresh. If you have any questions or concerns, drop a comment, DM me, I'm always happy to help. If you need treatment done to your own pairs, DM the IG at Restorations, and I'll see you guys in the next one.